Let me have a sip of coffee and then I'll start with all my stuff. So, I've got my glue gun on that is probably going to burn my face off. I think I need new glue. It is spewing out the tip right now and I just turned it on.
It's gurgling.
Yeah, it's like doing fun stuff. Between the glue gun and the murderous hornets, if I survive what I'm doing, it'll be a miracle. Yeah, so let's just get started. Okay, you look at this and you're like, Cheri, that's very, very, very bad staining. Yes, it is. You're right. I agree with you. I really just wanted the outside done, and I think that looks cute. This was just something I had on hand. It's a small little wood frame sign. It was raw wood. I used the Varathane Stain and Poly, and I stained it. And this is my cute little Dollar Tree pumpkin. So I stained that too. I did sand the edges a bit to kind of rough it up. We're going to use one of the wood shapes here, one of the words, and I think we're going to use thankful. These wood adhesive sticker things are only $1 from the dollar section of the Target. So we're gonna use this scrapbook paper, guys. This is also from the Target. You get like 14 sheets. So when I saw these, I'm like, oh, I have that little wood sign and I know it'll fit. So I have it, like I kind of thought this through a little bit. I'm thinking we will use the Mod Podge. I think this will work. Okay. And this is pretty good paper, so it's not gonna crease or wrinkle on you. But you guys need to get some of this stuff. So see, isn't it cute? Oh my gosh. I think we'll just glue this down with a couple squirts of hot glue. Yeah, if it doesn't kill me, it might kill me. All right, so now I think I want to do the bow first.
To see how much space it takes.
Yes, and then I'll stick the thankful on. Isn't this like super, super duper easy? You just need like one of these, and then one of those, and that, and this, and those. And then you have the perfect thing. See, look. I think it's cute. I think it's good. Okay, so let's glue this down. So now I'm going to put the thankful on. Oh, this is cute, guys. I love this. Isn't it cute? I just think it's the cutest thing ever. So anyways, you all have a blessed one. Thanks for watching, guys.